Hello and welcome to Craft Divas. So today we are going to make for the activity pads. Now with the activity pads, you can make your own or you can buy them from the store. But if you want it to match your theme and you can't find it, then you can also make your own. I probably will be doing a tutorial later on this week of how to make your own activity pad. And for those who don't know what I'm talking about when I say activity pad, basically we um the coloring pages for the kids, and you can pick any theme, any color, whatever you want. So let's go get started. We're doing Peppa Pig. So first thing I want to do is go ahead and import a Peppa Pig image into Inkscape. So I want to get this little person right here. Bring them on in. Actually, I don't want to. It's very big. So I want to import another one. Let's say I want to do the daddy. Try him up. Let's see how. Alright, yep. That's fine right there. Okay. So then I want to go to path and trace bitmap, and you want to change your threshold. We're gonna let's see 80. Let's see, it still has a lot of white, so let's go ahead. Let's keep going until daddy's all the way black. Oh, I don't want the whole thing black like that. So let's do that. All right, and then we're gonna go back to path, and we're gonna go to breakaway. So there goes that. All right, so then you're gonna hit the end button to move it to the back, and go ahead and put that on top. Make sure you go ahead and select the back. To select that one, go Control 0. You want to make it where it has the outline. So that's the outline I want right there. Alright, then I need to click on the back, and I'm going to color. I need it to be white. You can do really whatever color you want, but I need it to be okay. Alright. Fill color. You can change the colors whatever you want, however you want. I might keep it like the color like this just so we can see what's going on. So let's keep it like that. So then we're going to select this, and we need to select the top one. So make sure you have both images. Then we need to go to the we're gonna go to the align and distribute. Okay, let's see. One of these. Okay, right here, align and distribute. And then we're gonna center it on the horizontal axis. So I'll make sure they're both centered. And then we're gonna, while we have both of them selected, go to File. We're gonna go to Export. I'm just gonna bring up this. So we need them to be then export as, so export as Patty Cake outline. And then export. Alright, this is my first time trying this, y'all, so we're gonna see this works. Let's see if it worked out. So in design space, we're gonna go ahead and upload daddy. And let's see if daddy got the outline. Let's see if we did it right. We did it right! Oh yeah! So now when daddy prints, he's gonna have the outline, and he's a sticker. Well, you have to print him on sticker paper. So to make stickers are normally like one. I mean, it depends on how big you want your sticker. So I think I want my stickers to be like just a little over 1 inch. Maybe 2. Or between 1 and 2. And yeah, so, and again, you do more, so you can do another image. So since we got that all down pat, let's go ahead and do another one real quick. Alright. And you can do import clip or image, either one. But since I already have it on my computer, so let's go ahead and do another one. Let's do this. Oh, I'm hyped now. We learned something. Alright, so we're gonna do this one. Same process. We're going to what did I say? Oh, right here. Oh, hold up, what? Oh, path, that's right. Trace bitmap. Alright, so that's already up. Then we gotta go back to path. Gotta break it apart. And you hit the end button, so put them on to the back. Now I need to select it, Control 0. Offset it. Why not just a little bit? Alright, hold up. Mommy doing a video. And then what else? Alright, so after we offset it, make the outline, then oh yeah, we gotta both of them. And then center on a horizontal axis. And after we center it, then oh, you can change the color. Duh. So keep it black if you want to. So let's try a different color. Let's do a highlighter pink. And after we do that, we export it, save it. Hit export, and then let's bring it in design space. And see, it worked. Yay! And then there you go. So thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day. I will upload videos very soon, so just bye.